on these today. Nice 3-point, dude. He's chalked that. This one's a 4-point. He's chalked as all hell. And the only one, this was last year's, or this year's, potentially. A little 2-point, but just went for a horse ride, and now let's eat some of this, dude. All right, so I got my cup of water. Put it in this bad boy. There we go. Forgot to record this part, but as soon as you get the boiling water, you just throw it in this bad boy, and then now we wait for 10 minutes. Hot water in for 10 minutes. Now we open up this bad boy, stir up that goodness. Things are 11 out of 10. So freaking good.